Welcome to day 8, episode 8 of my stock photography journey. Trying to make some money with stock photography. Hi, I'm Angel. You can call me Auntie Angel. I realize this is a little shaky. Let's see if we can do better. I lost my little mirror stand. See if that's at least a little better. I'm in my half outdoor, half indoor dragon room that I built myself. And just finished another session of putting in my time. I have committed myself to treating it like a part-time job and doing at least 15 hours a week. My first week, I probably did a lot more than 15 hours. And today I probably did 3 or 4 hours, so on track. And I had all of my submissions to alchemy rejected because they said one was rejected, so they didn't look at the whole batch. That was like 56 or something. So then I uploaded 6 and then they disappeared, and so I uploaded 7, including like 3 or 4 of the same ones, and then those other ones reappeared. So now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more rejections, and if they even ever look at my stuff again, because they do make clear that the more rejections you get, the longer they're gonna take to look at your stuff. So I feel like I've been shooting myself in the foot on that, but still making slow progress. Maybe we'll see. I do feel like I'm improving my ability to figure out what the platforms want, and I've had far fewer rejections from Shutterstock, although, and Dreamstime. I'm not entirely sure that's not just because of some change on their end, but in any case, as of today, I have, looking for my numbers here, 101 on Dreamstime. Actually, I think when I looked, it was 98, and then there was 4 more pending. Again, sometimes they disappear. I'm learning to try to be a little more patient than I've been. But right around 100. And not all of those are submitted for submitted for exclusive rights, but some are. And I stopped doing that because it was creating confusion. I figure I can go back and or start organizing my files differently. I am interested in starting to do some video clips, so I was doing some research on that on Shutterstock, seeing that they want 5 to 60-second clips. And I'm going to start playing around with that. On Shutterstock, I've had like 43, I think, pending for a day or so, so I've stopped uploading there. I have another 100 or so that I could put details on, and I have, I think, 82 that are in my portfolio there. So making progress, a little slower than I'd hoped, but still making progress. And again, feeling like I'm able to hone in a little bit better on what they want. Still not feeling like I'm making any really, like I haven't taken any really great photos, and I haven't had any sales, but I have like, I don't know, 172, I think, on 500px, more of just a loose portfolio, which I probably will pay the $15 or so a month to see how that goes in the near future. So, and the 3 that I uploaded to Adobe Photo Stock still just sit there with no reply. It does still say up to 4 weeks there. It says up to 5 days on Shutterstock, although so far they've been much quicker than that. So I will keep you posted. That's my quick update to episode 8 of my journey to make some money on photo stock photography. In my continuation of my research, I've had another iteration of thoughts that I really need to up-level my equipment, and that I am appreciating that this is helping me up-level my skills, and that it's really hard to know what people are going to buy. But consensus seems to be that you need about 1,000 minimum stock photos, good stock photos, in order to make maybe $100, $10 to $100 a month. And then you need over 10,000, like 10 to 25,000 uploaded good stock photos in your portfolio to make closer to that consistent $1,000 a month. So I'm still going to stick with it for at least the 3 months. I was hopeful to have close to 5,000 at the end of that 3 months. I'm thinking now I may be lucky to have 1,000, but if I can have 1,000 and make some money, then hopefully I will be inspired to continue. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off and go to my friend's birthday party as soon as my other friend gets here. It's getting windy outside. It's the first day of autumn. Happy autumn. If you're hearing this anytime close to that, it's September 23rd, 2023. It's got some kind of magic in it, doesn't it? Anyway, I thank you for being you and for letting me be me. Stay curious, stay courageous, and if you can, stay free.